This is what you should have learned in geometry last year, part 8. So we're talking about angle relationships again. This time it's a little bit harder of a question. So we're given two lines that intersect, and we have the angles 2y plus 50, 7x minus 248, 5y minus 17, and x plus 44. So we need to write an equation so that we can solve for x and y. So I'm going to start by working over here on the y's. We need to just have one variable that we can solve for to make this easy. So these two angles are going to add up to 180 degrees because they form a straight angle and they're supplementary. So that means that I can write 2y plus 50 plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 180. So now I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite this as 2y plus 50 plus 5y plus a negative is the same thing as minus 17 is equal to 180. So now we can combine like terms. So 2y and 5y make 7y. And then 50 and negative 17, or 50 minus 17, would be plus 33. And that's going to be equal to 180. So now we have a two-step equation. We're going to subtract 33 from both sides to get 7y is equal to 180 minus 33, which is 147. And so now we can divide by 7 to solve for y. And so y is equal to 147 divided by 7, which is 21. And so now we've solved for y. We just need to solve for x now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug in 21 for y, and that way we can just get what this angle actually is equal to before we solve for x, okay? So 5 times 21 minus 17. So 5 times 21 is 105, minus 17 is 88. And so I'm just going to replace this angle with 88. And so now what I can do, since I know that this angle and this angle are going to be vertical angles, they're opposite from each other, which means they're equal, I can write a new equation just setting those two angles equal to each other. So that would be 88 is equal to 7x minus 248. And now I can just solve for x. So I'm going to add 248 to both sides. That way it cancels. And so 88 plus 248 would be 336 is equal to 7x. Now I can divide by 7 on both sides to get x is equal to 336 divided by 7 is 48. So that means my final answer is x equals 48 and y equals 21. And that is all you have to do.